What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you a really cool funnel that I thought was very clever that you guys can basically steal, and as long as you've got a PDF that has something to do with your business that you think maybe your customers would be interested in looking at, you can basically steal this exact funnel and just change some of the words around and you're good to go. So basically this funnel, this is called the PDF checklist funnel, and I'll put a link to it down in the description. But it's really cool. Okay, so this is for internet marketing. All right, now let's edit this page. So it's basically like this, right? Now all you have to do, right, where here it says the modern rules of internet marketing are out of date. So you could change this for your chiropractor. Modern rules of, spinal care, of dental care, of staying in shape, of blah, 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 whatever. Discover the outrageous new treatment, whatever it is, right? And then when you click on this, get a little pop-up. This you'll have to actually change on your own. But I'll put a link to this funnel where you can actually get the Photoshop files. And you can pay somebody on Fiverr to do that for you if you want. And then, boom, 6-step checklist to whatever it is, marketing online. Maybe yours is like, getting in shape or whatever it is. But this is a nice little opt-in page right here. It's very, I don't know, I think this is very catchy, but that's just me. And then let's see what that does. Yeah, it's a pop-up again. And then once they fill this out, I thought this was actually pretty clever. One small catch, the PDF is not real and doesn't contain any real content. So this is what they just wrote. This is like placeholder content, right? Here you could write something like, thanks for signing up. I want to offer you something else. Or thanks for signing up, check your email for the PDF. Or, you could have them, this could be a bridge page to take them to another page where you try to sell them something, try to book them on maybe like a 2-for-1 or something like that. And it just has like, where you can get this funnel as well. But obviously you probably want to delete like all this stuff. What I would do if you want to just like copy this funnel for yourself, maybe like delete all of this down here, and then just have this be like an additional offer for them, turn it into a bridge page, and have this button take them to the next page, which would be like a sales page, where you would say here, like, hey, thanks for signing up. As an added bonus, we've got something really cool on the next page as well. If you want to check it out, click this button. Boom, it says like, yeah, show me that extra thing, whatever it is. And then boom, they click this. Does it do anything? Free PDF guide.pdf. Oh, maybe this is an actual PDF. No, it's not. Okay. So, oh wait, maybe it is. Oh my God, that's so cool. So it's an actual, they actually give you the guide. Yeah, cool. So basically you just have your 6 steps here. And if this is like intimidating to you to write all this stuff, you can just hire somebody on Fiverr, I guess, to do this for you. Or what you could do, you could honestly just like download what's called PLR content, private label rights. And there's like, there's stuff that's already written basically, and you just repackage it as your own. So that's basically it. That's a pretty cool funnel template, I think. If you guys think that was cool, or if you think it was stupid, or you want to see a different one, let me know. And yeah, that's it. If you guys want to grab this funnel, I'll put a link down in the description. And yeah, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Peace.